Welcome. If you want more easy dialogues like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks you. Hello. I need to send a package today. It is a gift for a friend. Can you help me, please?
Hello. Yes, of course. We can send your package. Do you want normal delivery or fast delivery?
I'm not sure. What is the difference? Is fast delivery very expensive?
Fast delivery is quicker, only 2 days. Normal delivery takes about 5 days. Fast delivery costs a little more.
Okay, I think fast delivery is better. I want my friend to receive it soon. It's for a special occasion.
Great. Can I see the package, please? I need to check the weight.
Yes, here it is. It's not very heavy. It's only a small box.
Let me put it on the scale. Okay, it is light. The price will be simple.
Perfect, thank you. Do I need to fill out a form? I have never done this before.
Yes, you need to write the address, your friend's name, street, and city. You can write it on this paper.
All right, I will write the address now. I hope my handwriting is clear. Tell me if it is okay.
Let me check. Yes, it looks very clear. The address is correct.
Good, I am happy. I want the package to arrive without problems. My friend will be very excited.
I understand. Do you want tracking? You can follow the package online.
Oh, yes, tracking is good. I want to know when it arrives. Please add it.
No problem. Here is the total price with tracking. You can pay by card or cash.
I will pay by card. Here you go. Tell me when it is done.
Payment is complete. Here is your receipt and the tracking number. Keep it safe.
Thank you very much for your help. You were very kind. Have a great day.